if you're noticing that your driveway does not look as good as it once did, it might be time to determine whether or not you should have your driveway repaired or replaced. Bringing in a professional to take a look at your driveway and determine why it failed and what can be done about it would be the next step. Sometimes you may have an asphalt driveway that has got potholes or broke up, or a concrete driveway that's cracked up, or a paver driveway that's been moving around. And a professional can kind of determine what caused that, whether it's frost heave from subsoils, or whether the driveway wasn't installed properly to begin with, or maybe whether the driveway has just lived its life and it's time for a new one. So those would be some of the first steps. A skilled individual could come out and take a look at your driveway and let you know whether it's repairable or not. If you don't want to spend money repairing a driveway that just is going to fail right away again, at that point you may be better off having replaced it. So having someone who knows that when it can be repaired and when it should be replaced, take a look at your battery can save you money, or your driveway can save you money. Having great knowledge of the different types of materials that are available to install a driveway with, rather than just hiring a company that does one type of driveway, can better fulfill your needs, and that give you different options that maybe someone who just does one type of driveway can't do. So I think that's an important aspect of driveway installation, is understanding what the options are and how they affect the budget and how long they last. If you get someone and hire someone to put in a driveway that isn't experienced at it, you're likely to have some, longevity problems. If you put in a driveway with the wrong amount of base materials, as an example, it's likely that the driveway will fail much sooner than a driveway that's installed with the correct amount of base materials. So it's important to hire someone who's experienced, that has knowledge of different products, and that can execute an installation correctly for your driveway replacement and repair.